Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Shad back here with yet another video. I've been blessed. The sneaker gods have blessed me. I've been hitting on the sneakers app for the past couple of weeks. I don't know how I've done it. Don't ask me. I don't have a bot. So the latest add to the collection is gonna be from the Doernbecher Freestyle series. And first of all, I just want to say that this is my absolute first time hitting on the Doernbecher. So I'm very, very excited about that. Very, very thankful for it. I know it's for a great cause. You will see me wearing this shoe, but I like the box because of the color. For one, it adds a different dynamic to my closet. It's just a simple old box in this blue color, Doernbecher Freestyle. We got, again, as always, size 12 my size, and that's the Air Jordan 14 Retro DB. Again, courtesy of Nike. Here they are, the 14s, in this crazy, crazy, crazy color, this purple, and the side paneling on the upper is just ridiculous. So many details, I don't even know where to start. Look at the outsole, and then you've got the purple on the right shoe, and then you've got the white on the left shoe. Same with the laces, and then you got the same thing with the Jumpman here, the purple with the black lettering on the right shoe, and then the purple with the white lettering on the left shoe. They replaced the Jumpman Ferrari logo on the side there with that E, and then you've got the heel with, looks like a Space Needle, and then it looks like the number 6. And then if you look back here, another crazy hit is you see that says Lil Ray on the left shoe here. This one says 16 years old. There's a lot of hidden details on this shoe, which I think was dope. Shouts out to Nike for the Doernbecher project. I think it's a great project. You know, we spend a lot of money on these sneakers, man, and you know, there's kids out there. I don't want to give you guys a sob story or anything like that or make you feel bad about what you do. You work hard for your money. Why not buy the things that you like? Enjoy some of the things in life. But also make sure that you give back. Make sure that you know, there's people out there who are less fortunate. If you're doing well, reach back and help somebody, pull somebody up, brighten somebody's day. You know, do things here and there to, you know, make some kind of impact in somebody's life. I think these are good for the closet. And if anybody's out there to resell, I think you've got a different agenda on your hands, man. I think that's that's not a great look, man. Not everything is, you know, if you have a heart, not everything out there is for sale. You know what I'm saying? You can't put a price tag on certain things, but I mean, I guess you contributed your money to the cause in the first place, so, you know, whatever. There you have it, man. Like I said, a quick little overview of the Jordan 14 Doernbechers. You know what I mean? These are dope. Crazy shoe. I don't know when I'll rock these here, but they will be rocked for sure. Let me know what you guys think. Did you try to cop these? Would you cop these? Are these just a little bit too much out of, you know, just too much for you, or just enough for you? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, commenting. I've got a lofty goal for 2020 to hit 10K subscribers by the end of the year. So let's see if I can get to that number. I'm also gonna work on just being a little bit more creative. Back in the day when I used to do my videos, I was more about building good content, you know, doing cool things, not just about doing an unboxing and showing you guys a shoe. Leave a comment, let me know what I could do better. If I could do some collaborations with some YouTubers, I'll definitely look into doing that in the mix. But definitely want to grow this channel, man, once and for all. After the 10+ years that I've had it, it's time to take it a little bit more serious, take it to the next level, and see if I can have some fun with it. But until the next time, y'all, I appreciate you as always. Stay tuned. Y'all be easy. Peace.